Welcome to Speak English with Karen. Today we are going to learn how to stop saying very and use better words to replace it. Let's start. Very is useful, but using stronger and more precise words will make you sound more fluent and natural in English. So let's look at some better words you can use instead of very. Instead of saying very tired, say exhausted. Don't say I'm very tired, say I'm exhausted. Instead of saying very hungry, say starving. I'm starving is much stronger than I'm very hungry. Let's eat. I'm starving. Instead of saying very angry, say furious. Furious shows intense anger. She was furious when she found out. Instead of saying very happy, say thrilled. Thrilled means extremely happy or excited. He was thrilled to get the job offer. Instead of saying very big, say huge or enormous. Use huge or enormous to emphasize size. They live in a huge house near the beach. Instead of saying very small, say tiny. Tiny means very, very small. Look at this tiny kitten. Instead of saying very good, say excellent or amazing. These words are more expressive than very good. You did an excellent job on the presentation. Instead of saying very bad, say awful or terrible. Say it was awful instead of very bad. The weather was terrible last weekend. Instead of saying very cold, say freezing. Freezing paints a clearer picture. It's freezing outside. Wear a coat. Instead of saying very hot, say boiling. Boiling is used for extreme heat. It was boiling in the car without air conditioning. After an exhausting day at work, Maria got home late and realized she was absolutely starving. She opened the fridge and grabbed some leftovers, still furious about the meeting that went terribly wrong. But as soon as she saw her dog wagging its tail, she felt thrilled and started to smile. She sat down in her huge living room with her tiny puppy and turned on an excellent movie. Outside it was freezing, but inside, her apartment was boiling from the heater. Despite the awful weather and the stressful day, she felt grateful for the small moments that turned everything around. Which of these new words was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to sound more natural in English. See you next time.